System errors causing the Mskoladd add-in, DLL crashes in Microsoft Outlook add-in. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. To kick off the Mskoladd add-in walkthrough, I've linked a professional resource to help maintain system-level configuration. This is the Mskoladd add-in, the Outlook Social Connector add-in. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of social network feeds, like LinkedIn, within Microsoft Outlook. It facilitates the retrieval of contact activity manifests and their visual display within the People pane. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. Because Mskoladd DLL is required by Microsoft Outlook add-in to initialize correctly, a standard repair is needed. Reinstalling the official version of Microsoft Outlook add-in ensures all required application DLLs are restored to their proper paths. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Mskoladd add-in file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. If the restart didn't help the program find the file, we need to manually register the DLL pointer in the registry. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rely on a pointer in the registry. If the program can't find that pointer, it doesn't matter if the file exists, it won't load. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Protect your PC by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for Mskoladd add-in. Most free DLL websites are optimized for ad revenue rather than safety, often leading users to download harmful or obsolete software. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. If you're addressing Mskoladd add-in inconsistencies or system resource gaps, the link below provides informational maintenance resources. If this diagnostic helped you resolve Mskoladd add-in error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.